Hello friends. At this stage, it is important to understand the history of currency as a medium of transaction. In earliest known history, the trade was basically exchange of goods. Let us say there was one person cultivating rice and there was another person cultivating mangoes. Mango and rice will be exchanged between them, resulting in a trading transaction. The ability of rice to procure certain quantity of mangoes or ability of mango to procure certain quantity of rice is called purchasing power. There have been numerous historical references, even 1000 or even 2000 years ago, when even foreigners visited India for making such trades. Even colonial powers initially came just out of trading interest to India. Slowly, with the socio-economic and cultural evolution, there came a need for a common exchange medium that can facilitate or ease out transacting. That is when people started using gold or silver or copper as a medium of exchange. At that time, each kingdom minted their own gold or silver or copper coins, and each of them used to carry different value for transaction. For example, an Indian gold coin might get, let us say, 10 garments, as against a Greek or Roman gold coin which might get us different quantity of garments. There was classification or ranking of coins of different kingdoms depending on their ability to obtain different quantity of goods. In other words, it can be called purchasing power. Later on, after industrial revolutions and globalization of trade and advent of country-based governments and federal banks under these governments, there came up different currencies for each country. And as mentioned for gold, each country currently have their currencies, and those currencies have been classified or ranked based on their purchasing power. The fundamentals of demand and supply driven economics also has an impact on the purchasing power of the different currencies. This is just an essence of the currency history. Please understand that this is not a proper lecture on this subject. If this as a subject interests you, there is enough material available on the web through a simple Google search, and maybe I can make a separate video for this. Thank you. Welcome to Srihari's lessons. Hope you enjoy your time here. Continue listening and supporting.